Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the model question bank that is related to Calcutta University post-graduation CBC system geography semester 4 module 416. The title of the module is political geography. Question number 1 that is I will discuss about unit 1 first, that is political geography and conceptual issues. What are the questions, possible questions of this unit that we will discuss? Question number 1, discuss about the different evolutionary stages of political geography. Now, second question is, how major theories developed in political geography influences the development of different political geographical school. Question number 3, how major theories developed in political geography influence the contemporary political scenario. Question number 4, what are the relevance of different thought developed in context to the contemporary political scenario? Now question number 5, differentiate border from frontier. Question number 6, discuss the major issues emerging from the presence of porous international borders with India. Now question number 7, explain the concept of territory and territoriality. Question number 8, what is the significance of buffer zone in spatial conflicts? Next question, explain the suitable example, the role of ICT in borderless politics. Now next question, assess the role of political and economic blocs in controlling international trade. Now question number 11, what do you understand by gerrymandering? Question number 12, discuss about the concept of geopolitics. Question number 13, what are the significance of buffer zone in economic, political and cultural aspect of surrounding states? Now question number 14, bring out the nature and content of political geography in the light of different school of thought. Next question, comment on the concept of geopolitical and geostrategic view. Question number 16, discuss the important environmental issues as themes of modern political geography. Now question number 17, state the dynamic concept of regional identity with examples. Next question, question number 18, assess the significance of political economy in perspectives of globalization. That can appear like assess the significance of political economy in perspective of decolonization, neocolonializations, neoliberalizations. Okay. Now question number 22, discuss about the characteristics of and significance of globalizations. Discuss about the characteristics and significance of decolonializations. Discuss about the characteristics and significance of neocolonialization, and discuss about the characteristics and significance of neoliberalizations. The next question is, briefly discuss about the neo-Marxism. Now question number 27, make a critical analysis of the contribution of Harvey in the field of political geography. You have to mention the Harvey's contribution in this case. Then question number 28, make a critical analysis of the contribution of Pitt in the field of political geography. Next question, make a critical analysis of the contribution of Smith in the field of political geography. Now unit 2. Unit 2's title is unit 2 is the issues in political geography and Indian polity. What would be the questions? Question number 1, explain the process by which India has emerged as a superpower in the 21st century. Question number 2, briefly discuss about the Cold War. Question number 3, discuss the nature and genesis of Indo-Pak water dispute. Question number 4, discuss the nature and genesis of Indo-Bangladesh water dispute. Question number 5, what are the formula adopted for the water sharing between India and Pakistan? Question number 6, what are the strategies adopted for the water sharing between India and Bangladesh? Now question number 7, give an overview of models in electoral geography. Next question, discuss about the tragedy of commons in the context of political ecology. Next question, discuss about the scope, content and subject matter of political ecology. Next question, write a short note about a water tribunal in India. Question number 11, briefly discuss about the important issues involved in international water dispute in reference to India. Question number 12, identify the problem related with the McMahon line and line of control. Next question is, how does SAARC works to maintain the peace, economic development in Southeast Asia? Next question, and question number 14, analyze the importance of geopolitical settings of India within SAARC countries. Question number 15, analyze the role of India in resolving the inter-country conflict in SAARC. Next, question number 16, what are the objectives and content of SAARC in the perspective of geopolitical settings in India? Question number 17, discuss the nature of federalism in India. Question number 18, write a brief note on activities or functions of SAARC. Now, critically discuss the reason of World War II. Question number 20, critically discuss the formation and function of BRICS. Now, how did superpower emerge? Question number 22, how World War is important for the determination of strategic relation among the geopolitical units. That's you can also take it at its countries. That's all for that unit. I hope that will bring some idea about the unit and it will help you.